Alright, it's time to give you an update. The Valvoline Restore and Protect project dealing with the 2013 Lexus ES350. What you see right there is 2,031 miles. You have to add an additional about 175 miles to that, so we'll round that up to even 2,200 miles. This is my third time using the Valvoline Restore and Protect, my third time. The first two times, I let it stay in the vehicle for approximately about 500 miles before I changed it. I did that 2 times to start off with, 500-mile increments. Then I went to the Pennzoil Platinum, the top of the line. And then I ran that for 2,000 miles. Then I went back to the Valvoline Restore and Protect. That's what you're seeing on the odometer right there. 2,200 plus miles. We're going to go get another oil change. But we'll talk about that more when we go in the house to the table. I just wanted to show you that this third time using the Valvoline Restore and Protect, I actually got my money's worth out of it. And we got approximately 2,200 miles on there. Let's go to the table and finish up. Alright, we're at the table now. I only brought one bottle in with me, so there's not really too much to talk about. Honestly, it works. It cleans all the deposits up in your engine. But like I stated many times before, and other people on the internet have said what I said, when you first use it, you don't want to go long increments on it. You want to knock a little bit off, change it. Knock a little bit off, change it. Use a fresh oil, flush everything out, change it. Then that third time, like I'm doing, that's when you go ahead and do your deep cleaning, your 2,000-mile run with it. Now I'm about to do another 2,000-mile run. Then after that, I'm going to do one more 2,000-mile run, and everything should be clean. So that's how I'm going to actually go forward and push through with this project right here. And we're going to the Perlator Bosch filter. We're going back to that filter this time. On the 2,000 miles I just ran, we used the Valvoline filter. Now we're going back to the Perlator Bosch filter. So with that being said, you finna head to Valvoline. I'm going to let you see what the oil looks like after the 2,000 mile run. Then that'll be the end of the video.